you need to earn 8,000 after deduction and above to qualify for a car.
After deduction?
After deduction.
You have to have at least 8,000.
8,000 upwards. That's the minimum salary that's required. One thing I love about myself is that I am afraid of taking a challenge.
Yeah, you are like, each and every risk that's going to come my way, I'm going to take it.
Like some people in fact, you're not going to win if you're not afraid to take risk.
Shut up.
Yeah, but you don't need an iPhone to start with content. I mean, I should have started zonke lezinto long ago, but then being skeptical, you need to find the iPhone
quality wise,
so that people get familiar with your face and number of socials. So that
I hear you. Yeah.
Another advice, they need to just avoid my G taking out short-term loans. Just avoid.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell every time I drop anything, guys. Will be notified. Guess who I have in the building, guys? This is crazy, guys. I'm not alone. Look, it's in English in front of me alone because I'm so excited about our guest. It's Skuluman.
Yeah, show fit to it's your boy Benny Benny. The real Benny to Buffet to Naznan and Panaco Cas and Panaco Fridos. I'm one Buffet to get a special guest.
Special indeed. Special indeed. Yeah. Please introduce yourself to Special Manager.
Buffet too. Mpetu Simon, Sunday Society, your boy, TikTok, Facebook.
Yeah.
Vandaag is Freedom Park.
Yeah.
Here to tell my story, Buffet. Tell my story. Let's get it going.
Wait. Bro, Mangchega, when it comes to socials and stuff, ne?
Yeah.
You are someone who's big on your Instas, your TikTok, your whatever, ne? Mina Mangubona, every now and then, even now, we get uniform. What inspires you with each and every video we should do the uniform or else before I even got there, ne? I said when did you become a salesman?
Fede, who was salesman last year. November 2025. Yeah.
Okay.
That's before I've been serving McDonald's.
Yeah.
I share content which was I think 2024 December. Yeah, that's when I started to share my content That's when I'm told opportunity. I'm exposed to a more broader.
Yeah.
When they apply like
like now okay, it's fine. Who's telling
next, very salesman, but the job of no by Simoto. Yeah, I was recruited via TikTok. Yeah, I'm
Damn! Wait. You were recruited via also Honda came to you via TikTok.
Yeah, a specific like a particular manager. He's the one that approached me. They pay to no opportunity for when last year.
Okay, shut up.
Yeah, that's all. That's how it started.
It was like, yo, bro, I can see which you have a potential. You have these. Please come through, Eloni.
Yeah. Back then, no experience at all. But but like in things
okay, so are you telling me which influence yako kuma social medias is the one that put you on?
Yeah, that's the one. It's the one that landed me this opportunity, by the way. I'm here where I am.
Guys, and a lot of people they take content creation as if like it's a side hustle. If ever you can take this thing as a job, like yo, bro, I'm doing this thing. This is my I'm telling you can go far. Shout out to you, dog. So I'm telling okay, Eloneni, Honda, are they asking you, Guti? Because I see, guys, is driving a company's car. Right now, and Utu last year, right?
Yeah, last year.
Like how? Cause how I know, ne? They don't just give you a car.
Yeah,
you have to work. You have to work. You have to sell. Like, how many cars did you sell for you to be recognized as like the best salesman? Which
no, I wouldn't say I'm the best salesman.
What do you mean? Yeah.
I'm not the best. I'm still learning. I understand.
Okay.
Yeah. Corner want to been here, good craft.
Yeah.
Yeah. Corner like a guy. Now I'm Plomeda.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
one.
Oh, okay. All right.
No, I was so bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, Fede is the guy. Fede, I'm shopping now.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
the one that taught me his into. Just that this is into. Mina,
Because vele khona
mina ngivele ngena ngiyangena ngisho noma into ongayazi ngivele ngene phakathi. One thing I love about myself is that I am afraid of taking a challenge.
Yeah, you are like each and every risk that's gonna come my way, I'm gonna take it.
Like empilweni mfethu, you're not gonna win if you're not afraid to take risk.
Shut up.
Ngiyeke McDonald's without even knowing ukuthi la ngiyakhona, am I gonna succeed or will things work out or will things work in my favor?
I got you.
But
so look, you are okay. Your manager, so look, your manager saw you Elonene on TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. Yes.
And then DMs you.
Yeah.
And say come through. And then after maybe 3 months after you are in, did he come back and says, you know what, Angenzangi put for choosing you? It means I did like the best. No,
don't tell him you wanna like daily. Now he even knows.
Yeah.
Which I never made a mistake. I'm a result if it's as good. I'm not selling. Everything is in
Of course.
Already numbing us, but which you need to understand one thing, which Jean Buddha, I will go there for it. There for me. Yeah, I'm there for me now.
Yeah.
The family I'm made them push.
Yeah.
So okay. I want to understand something because let's say it's a first time umuntu ufuna uthenga imoto.
Yeah.
Ne?
Sure.
What is the requirements that are needed if umuntu ufuna uthenga imoto?
If ufuna uthenga imoto. Yeah.
Let's say I do have a cash. But like, what are requirements that I needed to go to Mbanemo?
Okay, first of all, let's start in my credit score, just because like ababaya, in that department. Just make sure you have accounts.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to open accounts.
Like we are humble, like Bob Happy.
And open an account. You paid off. That's when you accumulate some points to interest in your credit score.
Okay.
Which means you're active. Your credit footprint.
So okay. Sisa lapo kuma credit score. Which credit score allows you to buy a car or to have a car?
To have a car, you need to have at least above 600 credit
points.
Score. That's the bare minimum. 600 credit score should be 600. Anything less, it's gonna decline you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, anything less, it's gonna decline you.
Okay.
Okay.
I hear you. Yeah.
Another advice, they need to just avoid my G, taking out short-term loans. Yeah, just avoid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to touch my loan. My language.
Yeah. I hear you.
I hope they are partners with
Yeah. Of course.
But yeah.
So okay, I asked you about the requirement. You mentioned
credit score is very vital.
Okay.
And then another thing, you need to earn 8,000 after deduction and above to qualify for a car.
After deduction. You have to have at least 8,000.
8,000 upwards. That's the minimum salary that's required.
Oh, after tax and whatnot. After everything.
After UIF, after Provident Fund, after all the deductions, it should be on 8,000 going upwards. That's when I give you a favorable chance to qualify for a car.
Okay, and then other requirements that are needed?
Other requirements, just make sure you don't have any handed over accounts, you pay your accounts on time. Yeah, those are the requirements. If you know you've got a good credit score, you're a good payer, and then you earn above 8,000 or 9,000, you can come apply for a car, and you can actually get a car.
I got you.
You can actually get a car.
Before Venice, like in there was a content.
Yeah, the content in 2024 December.
Like index.
Wait. Last of last year.
Yeah, last of last year. Shooting Naboma 1 year, some couple of months.
Pushing your content.
Yeah, pushing your content. Yeah, and the reason why I started doing content, I'm fed. Showing Hamas, Urimsi. untanga bekashaya content. So one day I had a boy, I don't mean to distract him. Fed untanga bekashaya content, and then one day he showed me account yakhe. I was like, hey God, this dude is making money. We just making videos and then Fed riding ngakayituna nami ngayenza. Because sometimes Fed ukuthi mangringa namachita or amahotman nana. Mangringa bebanoglaga. That's when I
this guy's a funny guy, man. You are relatable.
Yeah, that's when I started to discover. Okay, sometimes the positive traits when I speak, people tend to listen. You understand? Also, I'm trying to if I share content, before like being share skits. Those skits, I discovered. I'm skits like my video la manasema kasana ma jokes ana ma particular scene. Kune scene 1, kune scene 2.
Oh yeah.
Sinini ngisana ukuvela ngikhuluma no Benito isikhathi enye scene maybe kuvela amanye amajita sakhuluma, those are skits. You understand, just to show people ukuthi so after that's before I discovered my niche, and then one day like ngiyacabanga ngashaya video like ngoka it gained attraction. That's when I started
so that into suspana okay abakazi maybe bathi advertisele me mamobheka something
or something or wenza like a review anything.
Besides this fala logo, remember I content yami ngicale vele ngisase McDonald's, but then now McDonald's is a big company. McDonald's is a big company. What you do on the side, it doesn't affect the sponsor, but then you need to watch what you do. You can't like share my video. You need to watch what you say. You need to watch what you do. My content. So most of the time, there's more conflict of interest. So hence that's why sometimes I had to manage my video. Big melon is covered. Just in feed, and whereas obviously I'm out here promoting, but they don't mind as long as there's something causing kulumo. Like I'm not be something strictly constructive. You understand there?
Exactly. So okay, sorry, because according to you, which car sells the most when it comes to your dealerships?
It should be Grand i10, it should be an i20, and I would say what can I say? Alcazar probably. Yeah, it's just an i20, Grand i10, or maybe I can say a Venue.
These are the cars that
that's it. i20, it's good.
Like abantu abaningi babanokufika nibachale ukuthi kule yethu aseko ningahamba niye pick up endaweni so
ahlezi khona imoto. You never run out of stock.
Oh, I don't even think that kunalento leyo ukuthi
always stock but is khona.
Oh, I don't think kunalento leyo ukuthi if ever like ingatholakala ngalethe iPitoli bakuthumela like e-post bag or somewhere
shop.
Exactly.
So we are promoter like niba ma event nana.
Cause you're big on social, bro.
Yeah, like one thing is social media is my own personal thing on the side, and then Hyundai is the company I work for. The content is not linked to Hyundai.
Oh, it doesn't matter which Elon.
But the thing is, I use the social media platform to promote, to make sales, exactly, so that people can come and buy cars.
So for the one that events,
no, if ever you promote any event you want to promote, you promoter. You call me. I don't have a manager. I'm my own manager because I'm not manager. I believe imiphelo was the vision yami. I know ukuthi ngifuna ukwenzani, ngifuna ukufika kuphi. So someone else cannot come and then discuss izinto in my end. I feel that sometimes I might be busy but then if you wanna speak anything, you speak directly to me. I put my best interest at heart. Open it on wangiqonda ngahlangana naye. He gave me some dope shots.
I got you. Shout out to Benny. Shout out to Benny.
They rent me nice. I tell them to come and buy dope brand, great quality. Great quality.
So another question that I have for you. Okay, I know with you guys are hired by Hyundai, you're getting paid. But like when you guys sell cars, do you get like a commission?
Yes, exactly. There's a basic salary, there's a commission as well, depending on how much or how many cars we sell.
Okay, so far since last year, how many cars did you sell?
Last year December.
Because Mbona somewhere happy after my number plate is so okay.
So for the 2025, 31 December, that's when I started selling. 17th of November, I started selling my first car. It was
wait. November.
Yeah,
December already you were saying.
Yeah, I sold. Yeah, December 31, 31st. I sold my first car. It was for the month of December. I sold only one car. Okay. I started 17th of November. Yeah, 2025. Yeah. And then January, hey, that's when I think I sold 4 cars.
Oh my goodness, what?
And then no since February I'm on 4 cars as well.
Wow. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy.
That's another thing. But for some fun and then Puma Makasana, Man Pumekasi, Tang Puma Freedom Park. He's a great guy, great individual. But for Panda, what I'm gonna tell you is, but for to Lakunga Lady, which I want party. Work pela, who knows and what you wanna achieve in life. And once you start, okay, I'm gonna say the most difficult part is to start. But once you start, you're gonna see that everything is easier.
Already you have
sometimes
you have paid your own
before
money.
When I started to do content, I wanted to do content because I know it is man. You understand? Because I've seen Impinjam which is making money. But then in Temangkali content, I was a bit skeptical. Abantu sometimes abantu bayagrilla kuma TikTok nanani nama trolls badokutshela amasimba, but then ngabona ukuthi that's the process. That's the hardest part.
You have to pass through those.
Yes, exactly. You need to start. Mama grilla bakutshela amasimba bengitrenda not so long ago ku Facebook. No, not to say ukuthi ignore. Mina what I choose to consume the positive
things, not the negative stuff.
The negative. I know if you say something bad about me, you don't know me.
Clip and then it's gonna be viral.
But for someone who knows me, like a person, you might think ni stupid. If I don't say stupid, it's just that it's slim. But for when I'm going to comprehend my intelligence, because umbega. But then if you understand what I'm about, you're gonna know ever since nane content ever since I've never changed.
Now got you, man. Like for your influence, what I can say to you, build this. Okay, this is bigger than. I mean, you're gonna go. But use what you have, You see the best you that gave you Hyundai job.
Yes.
I will na too, but like bro, don't settle for less. Don't never slow down. I always tell him poison, you have to keep on going. TRM to the world. When I say TRM to the world, TRM to the world. Let's keep on pushing. Let's keep doing what you have to do. We just hijacked him, guys. I don't know, for someone who wants to buy a car, but tell Gucci, where are you located? I'll tell you.
If Buffet 2 you want to buy a car, just call me Buffet 2. My number, my details, everything is on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. You're gonna see my number on my bio, and then I'm located in Pretoria, Buffet 2.
PTA. PTA, stand up! Stand up!
And another thing, Buffet, to just free piece of advice. If you wanna start doing content, just forget in front of the negative things.
Focus on the positive.
Just focus on the positive. Nothing we started.
For
but you don't need an iPhone to start with content. I mean, I should have started zonke lezinto long ago. But then being skeptical, I need to find the iPhone
quality wise.
So that people get familiar with your face. So that more value. I want to just fresh. It's nearly a video up you gotta start small and just understand this instinct. Instantly, it requires consistency. It requires discipline. ungapost amabhiya uphuza nanani.
It's gonna ruin your brand.
Yeah, it's gonna ruin your brand. That's another piece of advice I got from someone who ploma fairly high.
Too much of, for an example, it seems like it's a stylish thing.
Yeah.
But remember, when you're always posting, let's say utengesa in TRM, always your own hubblies and whatnot. It's more like you are promoting your TRM while it's linked to something that is harmful or something.
And another thing, just remember when you're doing content, you reach a broad,
worldwide,
wider state of people. You understand? Yeah. So even children, they look up to you.
Exactly.
So if you carrying peers and whatnot, what kind of a message are you
spreading a wrong message?
You need to protect your image, my dog. Just understand the routine. The sooner you start, in Fana, the better. The better.
Shout out. Anything that you wanna there's a lot of movie.
I feel since the stock singer collab izinto zoflyer bafethu ayatholakala vele ama son of care bafethu yathola namanye bathi nama of care akhona ama school pack akhona ngizobona nje yonke into izoflyer la escreenini ngifuna ukuplace ama order ma number 0688064777 ngifuna follower nazi bafethu
TRM bafethu to the world. And another thing, I've got a question for you, my dog, before we close. What are your intentions in Panangale brand? Where do you see yourself in the next, let's not say 10 years, 5 years? Because we need to drive things at a shorter speed. Don't say maybe.
Things to existence. Already we are on top of it.
Powerful.
Fede izinto engifuna ukuqala ngazo ngathi ngathola bo machine yokuprinta I mean manu
so uthola umshini wokuthunga so uthola days that's how we speak
like ngithola machine yokuthunga ama shop like different malls ngithola
you wanna be on those complex and whatnot. I see
like I wanna own different maybe Bomai, Josie,
and then PTA,
everywhere. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself.
Maybe Shama collab, Mama brand.
Nah, that's good, my dad. My brother, since you've started this thing, ngisho noma ngafika iGucci ithi ayibhaya riding nge-10 million kuwe no don't sell it.
Mina ngayeke njalo.
Keep it. Because imagine and remember each and every money that a person can offer you it means you can make it twice. But it will take time.
They're only buying because they see with this thing in the future is going to be hard. Don't sell it, my God. Stick with it.
Sure. Build your own legacy, guys. So guys, we don't wanna hold the boy out. Please go and follow him, guys. Masaseko namanya socials wake, he still wants to reach like millions subscribers, guys. Please go and follow him, guys. Each and every social media platform, go and follow him. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Maufuni Moto, this is the guy for you.
Lape Freedom Park to Sazobuya bafethu Sunday, so stay tuned bafethu. Don't just say
don't worry, uzopitcha apa full day bafethu save funny. Get to see your boy.
Away. Guys.
TRM, don't forget.
TRM to the world, Baba. TRM, the real guys, we're out of here.
I'm gonna come to you.